Hello, everyone. Today's question is 8 minus 5. In brackets, 8 minus 5. So let's solve this further. 8 minus 5, remove the brackets, and multiply. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 times 3, that's 9, but this is the wrong answer. When we are faced with math questions like this, we must solve them according to the BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets. Division and multiplication have the same priority, so we'll check from left to right. Whichever comes first, division or multiplication, we'll solve that. After that, addition and subtraction. Let's write the question again. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. First, according to BODMS, we'll solve the brackets. So here we write 8 minus 5, remove the brackets, multiplication, 8 minus 5, 3. Now we'll solve it further. So 8 minus 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Now this is plus 8 and minus 15, so that becomes minus 7. This is absolutely the correct answer.